come challenge him or something.
I'm not challenging.
What the frickin' heck?
No, I'm not doing that.
Every time that happens, it goes bad, bro.
Oh my god, Stromedy squad, do you see what I mean? This force is literally littered with freaking clowns. Okay, yo, bring the drone back. Wait.
You hear that?
Wait. It's coming from over there. Wait, no. There's one coming from over there. Wait. It's all around us, guys.
The drone.
Maybe he went to go alert the other clowns.
Set up, bro.
It's a setup. Wait, go, run. We're gonna get out of here. Go, run. Come on, guys.
Run. Yo, we're being set up. We're gonna get cornered.
Guys, quick, go. Holy crap.
He's right there.
Hey, yo, get back to that treetop part. We'll go back to that tree top. Okay. 1, 2, 3. He's getting on it. Go to the other side. Run. Oh, God. I dropped my camera. He's right there. Go quick. Right there. What the hell?
What are you doing?
Who are you guys? What do you want? Go. No, everyone go. Go. Oh my God, yo. What the hell? Dude.
Hurry up, dude.
Holy on, dude.
Yo.
What did they freaking want? At least we got the drone. Go. We need to get the hell out of here. It's like they put the drone in there knowing that we'd be able to see the flash so they could lure us in, and they were trying to do something. What do you think? Yo, Siren Head, he is able to connect to signals somehow. Nobody knows how, but he's able to.
He connects to the drone.
He can connect.
Bro, yo, messed our drone up last time.
Dude, he could connect to the drone signal and then figure out where we are. Like where we are flying it from. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, the drones have GPS now.
I can't even speak right now, I'm freaking out. But yo, listen. Can we hear it? Listen.
You can hear it, it's loud, bro.
Oh my God.
That means he's right in here. I can hear footsteps too.
What? Oh my God. Holy crap, Stromedy squad. Okay, yo, we gotta get the hell out of here. Stromedy squad.
Kyle, chill.
Freaking out, dude.
Chill, Kyle.
Dude, I'm